Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chanel and today we are going to talk about the YouTube monetization process, how to get YouTube in 2023, how much YouTube paid me personally for my first month of monetization, and my overall YouTube journey, as well as some tips and tricks that I would provide to new YouTubers or YouTubers looking to get monetized in 2023. Now, we're going to go ahead and talk about how to get monetized in YouTube, and I'm going to have the timestamps down in the description below. So if you already know how to do this, or if you just want to skip to a different part of the video, feel free to do so. But in 2023, to get monetized on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers, which doesn't seem like a lot, but when you're a new YouTuber starting out, it is so incredibly difficult most times to get 1,000 subscribers. But two, you also need 4,000 watch hours. Now, on YouTube Shorts, they are very, very popular, but sadly, YouTube Shorts do not count towards your 4,000 watch hour time limit. And this is really upsetting to a lot of YouTubers because most YouTubers starting out find a lot of success and early success with their YouTube Shorts because the YouTube Shorts algorithm really does seem to promote just about every single video out there. When I first started posting YouTube Shorts, I got between like 5,000 and 10,000 views per video when my longer videos were getting maybe like 50 to 100 views. And this was really inspiring for me. However, though, the watch time hours earned from YouTube Shorts do not directly correlate to your watch time hours needed to get monetized. Now, that's not to say that you shouldn't use YouTube Shorts or you shouldn't post YouTube Shorts. I'm going to talk about YouTube Shorts more at the end of this video in the tips and tricks section, but YouTube Shorts can definitely be valuable and you can use them to kind of promote your channel in a different way. Moving on from the monetization process, let's go ahead and talk about my own personal YouTube journey. And some of you have been following me since I had about 50 subscribers, which is so incredibly amazing to know. And right now my channel sits at around 2,200-ish subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you should. What are you waiting for? But my YouTube channel and my YouTube journey has fluctuated a lot. Now, when I started YouTube, I wanted to just make content related to my pets because I got a new puppy and I wanted all my videos to be about my puppy. And I'm happy I did that, one, because I have those memories, but two, I did not continue making videos about my puppy and my dog long form. So with that being said, I had to make up a new game plan for my YouTube channel. And if you don't know, I am a teacher, and the next thing for me was to just switch my pet related content form to teaching content form. And I did this because so many people on YouTube and just on the internet in general will highly recommend to you to have a niche. And for example, when I first started with my pet journey, I had a niche of pets and dogs and puppies. Then when I switched over to teaching content, my niche turned into teacher vlogs and teaching day in the life and classroom setups and all those good things. But after doing both of those for such a long time, I really just did not find myself wanting to continue making vlogs about these two things specifically. It felt really boring. I felt like I was doing the same thing every single day. And overall, I wasn't really experiencing a lot of success as I saw other YouTubers experiencing. And with that being said, what really sparked my channel were two things when I made this switch. I made a switch to travel related content when I went on a trip this past summer, and I found that there was a big content gap within the traveling related videos I was doing. Now this is key too, and we're going to talk about this more in the tips and tricks section for how to grow your channel in 2023. But once I saw that there was a content related gap within this travel content that I was producing on YouTube, I jumped on that so quickly and I created so many videos about that. And this for me was like an experimentation phase. And I definitely lost some subscribers that were there solely for the teacher content for close to a year. And people were shocked on my channel. People left me comments, but people were also supportive. But overall, I saw a gap in between the people who continued to watch my videos for teacher related content and travel related content. Overall though, I learned a lot when I switched over to travel related content, and now I'm in a phase in my life where I'm just kind of creating whatever types of YouTube videos that I want and whatever brings me the most joy. Now some videos definitely get more views than others, but what I've been focusing on more frequently are YouTube Shorts. And YouTube Shorts truthfully are the biggest thing on YouTube right now in my opinion for how to grow your channel. You get thousands of views a day just by simply posting YouTube Shorts. And again, we're going to talk about this later in the tips and tricks section, but YouTube Shorts, truthfully, have been the number one thing that has grown my channel. And I did not even start using YouTube Shorts before I got monetized. I waited until I was after my monetization period, and I only regret not starting YouTube Shorts earlier in my journey. And that's kind of a quick, summarized, too long, don't read version of my YouTube journey process, from pets to teachers to traveling. And now I'm just kind of experimenting and dabbling in with whatever I want to do and whatever makes me happy and whatever brings me the most joy. We're gonna go ahead and look at my YouTube analytics together. And I have not looked at my analytics in a really long time. This overall is just telling you the amount of views I got in the last 28 days. So this is not related to the monetization process at all, but in the past 28 days, I got 107,000-ish views with 600 watch hours. I've gained 275 subscribers, but we're gonna go ahead and look at the time period from which I got monetized in. Now here you can kind of see, I'm showing everything. I'm not hiding anything. You guys get the full entire view. I'm gonna go ahead and go to the date that I got monetized in. When did I get monetized? Hold on. I have to go ahead and check my Gmail because I can't remember the date that I got monetized in. We're gonna go ahead and look at my YouTube Studio analytics and all that good stuff together, but the date that I got monetized was November 14th of 2022. And in case you're curious as to what the email looks like, it looks like this. It should be on the screen. And I was really excited, and they refer to being monetized as being a part of the YouTube Partner Program, which means now I monetize my videos on YouTube. So after the 14th, that was the first date that I could monetize my videos. So we're gonna have to look at my YouTube channel analytics starting on November 15th. Right here. So as you can see, this was right around here where I got monetized in, so I count it as the day after, from November 15th to December 15th. Now you can kind of see the ups and downs in this graph. I had a big spike here. I earned about 50-ish thousand views based off of one YouTube short that I posted. And you can kind of see I earned some other big spikes in the graph here based on a YouTube short titled Today's School Lunch and another one titled Why Do Teachers Do This? And after that, from the current period, I've had one huge spike in YouTube views. But what we want to look at, and what you want to look at too, is the revenue, right? Because at this point, I had about 1,000-ish subscribers, and I had exactly 4,000 watch hours. For me, the hardest part was the watch hours. I feel like I've earned the subscribers in a pretty okay-ish amount of time, and I was really struggling with the watch hours. So we're gonna go ahead and sort this by revenue. So the first day that I got monetized on YouTube was the 15th, because that's the time period that I got all of my paperwork in. So on November 15th was the date that I consider myself exactly starting my YouTube monetization process, and that means after that date forward, I earned money off of all the YouTube videos that I made. Now this, what you see on the screen right now, is my watch hours from November 15th to December 15th. And you can see that I earned in total over this month 1,115 watch hours, 237,000 views, I gained 413 subscribers, and my estimated revenue for my first month of being monetized on YouTube as a part of their YouTube Partner Program was a whopping $23.79. I really was under the impression that I would be gaining at least $100 a month by being a part of the YouTube Partner Program, but I'm still a small YouTuber. I don't get that many views on my long form videos, but I create content that I love creating, and my YouTube shorts get a lot more views. And starting on February 1st, that is the first date that I can start earning revenue on my YouTube shorts. So I'm hoping that I will see a bigger increase in the amount of revenue earned, but at this point in time, I'm probably making between $20ish and $30 each month on YouTube, and I feel like this is really important to note because so many people think that YouTubers of all different subscriber status, big or small, medium YouTubers as well, earn so much money in revenue, but the fact is that's not really true, and I'm going to be completely transparent with you all and let you know that I've only earned $23.79 in my first month of YouTube. But it's funny because at least I still get paid for producing the content that I love to make. Now, with that all being said, no, I have not earned a lot of money on YouTube, but I have seen a huge spike in subscribers over these last 3 months from when I first got monetized versus now, 3 months later. And over the course of 3 months, I've gained about double the amount of subscribers I had on November 15th, and my YouTube views are heading towards a million mark. And with that being said, my channel is growing slowly but surely, and these are a few things that I'm doing to actually grow my channel and things that I've found success in as a smaller YouTuber. I have found the biggest success in YouTube Shorts, and some people say that posting on YouTube Shorts, the views and subscribers earned will not correlate over to your long form videos, but for me, my channel is growing. My channel is being exposed to so many more thousands of people each and every day, and I am still seeing some of those YouTube subscribers from my YouTube Shorts come over and watch my long form videos as well. Now, recently, as of February 1st of 2023, YouTubers have been able to monetize their YouTube Shorts. And this is really important because I'm also noticing one more thing from YouTube Shorts that have not only expanded my audience, but expanded the amount of views that I've gotten as well, is using audio files directly into my YouTube Short. Now, when you go on a YouTube Short and you create your own, you have the option to select music. And be very mindful of this because YouTube will literally recommend you which songs you should use. And if YouTube is telling you which songs you should use in your YouTube Shorts, you should use them. Like, go off the trending tips, go off the what is trending, use that into your YouTube Shorts, and you will hopefully find as much success as I am. I feel like one thing that a lot of YouTubers are struggling with right now is that their YouTube Shorts are like peaking at 1.5 or 1.7k views, and I'm gonna be honest, I don't know how to fix that. I wish I did, and if you do know how to fix that, or if you do know the answer for how to change that up a little bit, let me know down below. Overall, being very mindful of the specific music that I choose has made a huge increase in the amount of views I've been getting on YouTube. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you have a fantastic day, and if you haven't subscribed already, you should definitely subscribe to my channel and like this video if you want to.